Hello guys, hope you guys doing so well today. Alright, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure, where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, so in today's video we're going to draw lemons. Wow, lemons. Alright, everyone knows lemons, right? It's really good for us because it contains so much vitamin, especially vitamin C. Okay, then right, let's jump to the paper together and prepare your stuff, guys. Okay, right, at first I will start with the yellow color, this one. I think because lemon is yellow, right? So if you guys have a yellow color at home, it will be so nice, right? And then I will start to draw the shape of the lemon first, so you guys can follow me. So I think I will start with this line like this, guys, so you guys can follow like this, right? Okay, after that also the same thing here, you do here like this. All right, so you give some space here, right? You see I have some space here, so this thing need to make a different line, so I suggest you to make it something like this, yes. So from here, then you will go a little bit like this, then like this, yeah. You can see this line, right? Then also the same thing at the upper one, then you can go like this, yes, like this, a little bit up, and then like this one. Okay, right, you can see we have a lemon shape here. Okay, all right, okay, hope you guys follow until this stage. All right, after that I will give this one, the green, the yellow, sorry, I say green but it's yellow actually. Then I start to give some shape, outliner here, the outline here. So this is the yellow but little bit darker, so maybe you can see from your side like this, right? Not much different. Okay, so but you can see a little bit orange at the corner, right? At the all right, see here like this. Okay, yeah, looks pretty good, right? Okay, after that I will go to the fun part. Yeah, putting some expression to the lemon, right? So you guys can start to follow me like this. So I have this black color, so I will go circle like this here. Okay, then I do the other one here. All right, guys. Okay, then after that I will give this eyes here, so I will put some like a circle inside the circle. This is the big one and this is the small one. All right, okay, also the same thing here. This is the big one and this is the small one. All right, after that you just give a black color in this part. Okay, this makes your eyes more obvious and looks even better than before. Okay, right, the left eyes is done, then we go to the next eyes here. All right, okay, slowly guys, don't afraid to draw, just draw as fun as you can, no pressure, and then yeah, as long as you learn and then you're happy, you enjoy the process, that will be more than enough for me, right? As you can see, we have eyes, two eyes here, and I want to give matte here. This one will be like smiley matte like this. All right. Okay guys, you can see smiley matte, and right, I will give the something that looks good. Yeah, this one, red color. So I plan to give some like a shy expression here. So I give this red color here. Okay, and then also in this part. Alright guys, you can follow me like this. Alright, then this one also the same like this. Okay, right, looks pretty nice already. Then the next one, I will give the yellow color for the body of the pot lemon here. So I can do, oh, I think I have an idea guys. So I will give this here the eyebrow. Wow, see, whoa, looks, you know, cute, right? Okay, then next I will give the yellow color here. All right, you guys can follow. All right, time to give a yellow color. Okay, just slowly and then enjoy the process guys. No need to be fast, no need to be I want to be fast, I want to be fast and then I'm finished. No, the important thing is you need to be enjoy while you drawing. All right, okay, you need to enjoy guys. Yeah, that's the important thing. So now the upper part, not yet. So yes, okay, you guys can follow, right? All right, starting looks good already. Right, okay, slowly but surely, right? Right, okay, looks pretty nice already. Okay, right guys, I think it's almost done, and yeah, it's nearly end. All right, I hope you guys learned something today and you enjoy the coloring process with me, and I hope you guys also don't forget to subscribe for the next video, because I will see you in the next video with a new fruit and or new topic. All right, see you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this process of the drawing with me, and bye bye. Thank you guys, thank you so much.